If you've ever slept without your do-rag or needed to recover your waves, this is exactly the video you need to see. As you can see, even my waves are pretty messed up right now. I'm about to fix them, so why not teach you how to do it while I do it? Of course, the first step when you're washing your hair is always going to be to get your hair wet. So go ahead and wet your hair. Now it's time to add some shampoo. So this one is by the Wave Essentials. Just get a few pumps just like this. It's completely up to you whether you scramble or not. For those of you who don't know what scrambling is, it's what I'm doing right now with my hands throughout my hair. Okay, it's time for round 2. Go ahead and rinse out that shampoo. Now apply shampoo for a second time. So this is your second wash. This is the one where you'll see all the lather. In a few seconds, I'm about to scramble it in and just watch what happens. Let's turn off the music so you can enjoy the ASMR. The next step is to go through your hair with a detangling brush. This step is so helpful, especially after doing the scramble wash method. The detangling brush in this video is from the Cut Buddy. Make sure you go get one from thecutbuddy.com and use my promo code WavemanMike for a discount. So this is the step that everybody's been waiting for. You already knew it was coming. It's time to put in that brush work. Just make sure to pay close attention to your brush angles. Anything you do when washing your hair is going to be super important to watch all the details. I'm going to just let y'all watch and I'll come back when it's time for the next step. This isn't really a separate step all to itself, but if you need to, go ahead and just add some more water and shampoo. That way you can take the brush session on a little bit longer if you need to. Actually, let me just take a second to show you what my waves look like on all the sides. There's the left side, the back, the right, the crown, and the top. It's a little hard to see the crown right now with all the shampoo, but it's cool. Now go ahead and finish your brush session. So what I like to do now is just use my hands to flatten out my hair. This is similar to the plastic bag method, but the only difference is I'm using my regular hand and my hair is wet. Every now and then I'll add just a little bit more shampoo. So these next few steps are the parts that everyone seems to mess up for some reason. I think it's just because everybody doesn't watch all the way through videos. If you watched this far in the video, go ahead and leave a comment down below saying, I watched. And if you're watching right now, it'll be pretty easy to tell that the next step is to put on your do-rag. Now, here's the part that confuses everybody. And if I don't break it down, the comments will be full of people asking. Yes, you are going to rinse the shampoo out. You are not going to just leave the shampoo in your hair forever. The trick is to put your do-rag on first, then rinse your hair through the do-rag. So your water should be passing through the do-rag in order to rinse out the shampoo. The do-rag should be on your head when you're rinsing out the shampoo. And now you're pretty much done with the process itself. The next step is just as important as any other step, if not more important. You need to make sure that you do not take that do-rag off of your head until both your hair and the do-rag are completely dry. Yes, your hair and the do-rag. And congratulations, ladies and gentlemen, you've just learned how to wash your 360 waves. Make sure you come back to this video every time you need to wash them again. Smack the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.